before we had a wastewater. We treated our wastewater being discharged in the valley. But nowadays, we found that we are discharging a lot of water. We bought some machine for wastewater recycling so that we can use that water for some multi-purpose, for cleaning, washing the cars, in the gardens, toilet flushing. We found that we are saving 3 million every month, which is a good achievement. For our return investment is around 4 years. We have bought some machine for sand filtration, and we are dosing some chemicals for neutralization, and we are monitoring our pH, and after that we are recovering that water. We are testing the parameters in our laboratory. We found that water is purely good and safe, can be used, so it's very important.